Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing. We're going to put all that we have learned into practice with this song, What a Friend we have in Jesus. We have coming out in the C chord with the pattern, bow, right, right, right. Ready? Let's go. C chord, bow, right, right, and F chord, right, right, and C chord. Going down to G, back to C chord, and F chord. Half a bar coming up, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, back to C1 bar. Chorus, pattern change, bow, right, right, left, right. Bow, right, right, left, right. Bow, right, bow, right, bow, right, right, left, right. C chord and F chord. Half a bar of C coming up, half a bar of G, back to C. Verse 2, C chord, bow, right, 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 and F. Back to C chord, going to G chord, go back to C, bow, right, and right, and right, and F. Half bar coming up, half bar of C, half a bar of G, back home to C. Chorus playing pattern, bow, right, right, left, right. Half a bar of F, bow, and right, C, half, and G, right, right, left, right. Bow, right, right, left, right, and F. Half bar coming up, half bar C, half bar G, back to C. Let's go, verse 3, C chord, bow, right, 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 and F. Back to C chord and G chord, bow, right, and right, and right. C, F. Half bar coming up, C, half bar of G, one bar of C. Chorus playing pattern, bow, right, right, left, right. C. Half a bar of F, bow, and right, half a bar of C, and right, and G, right, right, left, right, and C, and F. Half a bar of C, half a bar of G, one bar of C. Going back, verse 1 and C, and F chord, go back to C, down to G, back home to C, and F chord. Last line, half a bar of C, half a bar of G. We're gonna have one time C. Well done! Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.